Hello everyone, welcome to my channel of Creative HandMade Market. I decided to shoot this video just to have something different, not just bead crochet but also showing the variety of clasps that I'm selling on my second shop, which called Creative Pictures, and the link will be posted under this video in description. So let's get started. Creative Pictures shop is dedicated to craft supplies, mainly jewelry making, and then knitting and crochet, as well as embroidery. This video is gonna be about the variety of magnetic and some of the lobster clasps that I'm having. As you can see on this board, the variety of magnetic clasps, which are very high quality. I only choose high quality products. I tested myself first to make sure that everything works fine, that nothing is falling off, etc. So on the first row, as you can see, I do have a magnetic clasp, right? So they come in a variety of shapes. For example, this first one are gold and silver ones, and these are actually separate. So this gold one comes for, I believe, 8 millimeters, and this is for 6 millimeters, pretty minimalistic ones. And then the next one is what I call the bullet clasp. Also for the 8 millimeter cord. They are perfect for kumihimo, for bead crochet, for leather cords. I usually just glue them on. Then I have these ones, which comes in silver, gold, and black, and then the embossed one, which are made from stainless steel. So stainless steel ones are these ones, as well as the next ones, and the next pair, and these ones as well. And then I also do have this minimalistic clasp. Let's look at it together. So here it is, right? And it comes in variety of glitter ones, and then embossed structure. So this is the embossed ones. As you can see, it has like some embossed dimensional drawing on it, and then it comes in silver, gold, and rose gold, as well as black. And also there are like a glitter one, gold, and glitter silver, as well as crystallized one. I also had for these green, black, and blue the red one, but unfortunately it's sold out. You can always request a restock in my shop. Then the next row, these are the stainless steel ones. I like these ones because they are very minimalistic, so pretty good for minimalistic jewelry, and they're stainless steel as well. And then comes my bestseller. So these clasps are magnetic, as well as they have a lock. I'll show you just in a minute. So see, it has a snap lock on the side for additional security, so your jewelry or necklace or whatever you're making, bracelet, would not fall off. They come in a variety of sizes of 8, 6 millimeter cords, 5, 4, and 3. And also, which is pretty good, they come in a variety of colors. As you can see, rose gold, black, bronze, shiny silver, and gray. The next set of clasps that I'm having is, some of them are magnetic, some of them are snap-on. So these ones are magnetic ones for like flat cords. I have them in bronze and silver. This is a pretty one, the rose flower, and it's also a magnetic one. As you can see, it can detach and it has a small magnet, and it's pretty strong as well. And then this is snipping clasp, and these ones is pretty beautiful. I'll show you. It can accommodate 3-strand necklace or bracelet. It's a 14-karat gold-plated clasp. And then my favorite ones are these big ones for flat cords, and they're embossed clasp, which come in silver and gold. Then these small bodies are enamel magnetic clasps. As you can see, they can they stuck together. I also have this perfect for Valentine's Day heart clasp, which comes in copper, bronze, and silver. And then next ones are also for flat, I would say flat cords. It can be leather or whatever you're making with a flat cord jewelry. So bronze and gold ones. These flowers are the same, just different colors. Next set is the stainless steel minimalistic clasp. They also come in variety of hole sizes for the cords. So 8, 6, 5, 4, and 3 millimeters. And also they come in a variety of different colors, like these rose gold ones, and then silver ones, and then the gold ones. Last but not least, the stainless steel clasp, like the one I mentioned here. Yeah, these are stainless steel. So if you're not having a cord and just want to attach it for, let's say, the beading jewelry, these are perfect for that. And I also have this like connector clasp, which I recently got. So it has a lobster clasp on one end, and then other end can be attached with a jump ring, and then at the middle it has a magnet, as you can see. Let me show you closer. So here's the magnet, and it can be attached. And last but not least are small lobster clasps, which come in silver, gold, and bronze. And I do have more of lobster clasp as well as toggle clasp, which come in variety of metals, like sterling silver, gold-plated ones, and they will be the heroes of my next video. Hope you liked it. If you like my magnetic clasp variety, I'm inviting you to my Etsy shop. The link will be at the bottom, and also you can pre-order them if you need more, or if you need a specific magnetic clasp, I can also source them for you. So hope you enjoyed this video, and come and join my shop, and also follow me at my YouTube channel. Thank you for your attention, and have a great day.